Hi guys, welcome again to Surigo, that is sponsored by Goldminearoma. You know, this is always where all of food come exciting. Yes, today is going to be in different, is it segment, is it series? This is all about food, and what we want to make is Gbegiri. Ewedu, Gbegiri means bean stew. Ewedu means jute leaf stew. Then the stew with assorted meat. And alright, plantain fufu. So guys, if you're just joining us, thank you. Welcome to where food comes exciting. So what we're going to start with is Gbegiri. Gbegiri is just a bean stew, and this is how it's been made. Or pale beans, whatever bean, but most time I use my drum. I don't use honey beans. So the beans is already boiled. This is basically 16 ounces, okay, and I have 8 ounces of red oil, just 1 bulb of onion. You know, if you want to do extra, you want to put your habanero, your fish, don't worry, you see that in the ewedu, the jute leaf. This is the goldminearoma coconut rice mix. We have you in mind, so make combinations of all your garlic, ginger, salt, maggi, whatever bouillon you want to suit your taste. So this is an alternative usage for a coconut rice mix. This is any beans. Is it wagmani? Is it porridge beans? Is it moi moi? Is it akara? Any beans product, or this Gbegiri that you want to do now. So guys, let's go do it. Just like I told you, this is 16 ounces of beans, and this is 8 ounces of red oil, just half bulb of onion, and the mix. So guys, pour it because it's already been boiled, soft. Don't worry about the broom stuff, you'll be fine. This one, you don't need to go through a whole lot of stress. Blend it. Here. Imagine, what do you need to sieve with this? You don't. This is my red oil. You see? This is enough, guys, because it has already been salted. Everything is there. Don't worry about your garlic, ginger, everything. So let's boil it on fire. That's your Gbegiri. When it's done, come back here and show you. Ready? Guys, what do you think? Guys, like, subscribe, shares, push the notification button so that anytime we upload any new videos, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, give me what you comment. Let's meet at the comment sections so that we can discuss, you know. So guys, I'll see you in the next video, which will be the stew, so that we can combine it at the 4th video where we are going to make the fufu for it. Thank you guys for always coming here. Keep on coming. Love you. See you in another video. Bye.